Robinhood error code 1003, commonly known as verification failed, appears when users try to sign up, log in, or access certain features on the platform. This error is triggered by Robinhood's identity verification process, which involves know your customer checks to ensure user security and comply with regulations. These verification checks are essential for maintaining security and meeting regulatory requirements in the financial industry. This video will guide you through understanding and resolving this issue step by step. Error code 1003 stems from Robinhood's robust verification system designed to comply with anti-money laundering laws and fraud prevention regulations. This system verifies your identity using government-issued IDs, proof of address, and sometimes biometric data like facial recognition. The verification process checks these elements to ensure compliance and prevent unauthorized access. Error code 1003 arises when discrepancies are detected in the information provided, or when the verification API fails to complete the check. Several factors can trigger error 1003 during verification. Poor image quality of uploaded documents often causes the system to fail recognition. This happens when photos are blurry, too dark, or low resolution, preventing accurate scanning. Mismatched information is another common cause. When the details you enter don't match your documents exactly, such as a name variation or address discrepancy, the verification process rejects the submission. Outdated devices can also lead to failure. Older smartphones or operating systems may not support the latest verification features, causing compatibility issues with the app's security checks. Network instability is a frequent trigger. Weak or unstable internet connections interrupt the verification process, preventing successful communication with Robinhood's servers and third-party services. Error 1003 can occur during specific actions like creating a new account, resetting your password, or accessing margin trading features. These processes require additional verification checks that are more prone to failure. To ensure smooth verification on Robinhood, your device must meet specific system requirements. As of 2026, you should aim for iOS version 17 or higher, or Android version 14 or higher. Using older devices might cause compatibility issues and lead to verification errors like error code 1003. Consider upgrading your device if it's outdated to avoid these problems. A stable internet connection is crucial for avoiding error 1003. Network instability can interrupt the verification process, so let's look at what you need to know. Aim for a minimum download speed of 5 megabytes to ensure smooth verification. Lower speeds can cause the process to fail. Network instability can interrupt the verification process and trigger error 1003. Poor connections lead to failed checks. Switch to a reliable Wi-Fi network if you're experiencing issues. Stronger signals prevent verification failures. For the most stable experience, try using a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi. Accuracy is key. Carefully review all the information you provide during verification, including your name, address, and date of birth. Mismatched information is a common cause of error 1003. Ensure everything matches your official documents. One of the most common solutions is to re-upload your documents. Ensure the images are clear, well lit, and show all corners of the document. Avoid glare or blurriness. High-quality images significantly increase the chances of successful verification. Clearing the app's cache and data can resolve issues caused by corrupted files. In your device's settings, find the Robinhood app and clear its cache and data. This can help refresh the app and resolve verification errors. Note, you may have to log back in. Solution 3. Restarting the Robinhood app. A simple restart can often fix temporary glitches that cause verification errors like error code 1003. Close the Robinhood app completely and then reopen it. This helps refresh the app's processes and can resolve the issue. If the previous troubleshooting steps don't resolve Robinhood error code 1003, your next option is to contact Robinhood support directly. They offer personalized assistance and can investigate the verification issue more deeply than automated systems allow. To get the best help, be prepared with specific details about the error. Include when it occurred, what you were trying to do, and any exact error messages you received. You'll also need to provide your account information securely through their verified channels. Robinhood's support team can then offer specific troubleshooting steps tailored to your situation, which might include advanced verification methods or account-specific guidance that isn't available through the app alone. You can reach support through the Robinhood app by navigating to the Help section or visit their website for contact options. They typically respond within 24 to 48 hours for standard users. The support interface allows you to describe your issue, browse common topics, and chat with representatives. Use clear, concise descriptions of your Error 1003 problem to get faster resolution. Robinhood relies on third-party services like LexisNexis and ID.me for real-time identity verification. These integrations perform critical checks to ensure user information is valid and secure. For example, LexisNexis provides background verification services, while ID.me handles secure identity authentication. These partners help Robinhood comply with regulatory requirements. The integration process involves API calls between Robinhood's systems and these third-party services, allowing for seamless real-time validation of user data. However, if these third-party services encounter downtime or technical issues, verification processes can fail, leading to errors like code 1003. Understanding this integration helps users recognize that some verification problems are beyond Robinhood's direct control. Verification fatigue refers to the frustration users experience from repeated verification errors, leading to platform abandonment. Robinhood is actively working to reduce these issues to prevent users from switching to competitors. Robinhood is investing $50 million in 2026 for significant tech upgrades. This includes AI-enhanced verification systems using machine learning to improve accuracy and reduce errors. The upgrades are expected to cut error rates by 30% compared to 2024 levels. By 2030, Robinhood aims for near-zero error rates, demonstrating their strong commitment to resolving issues like Error 1003 and enhancing user experience. During Robinhood's 2025 Black Friday promotion, the platform saw a massive surge in sign-up attempts. This overwhelming demand triggered Error 1003 for many users, causing verification failures. The incident led to a class action lawsuit as users highlighted the impact of these errors during peak usage times. Many people were locked out of their accounts for up to 48 hours, disrupting their trading activities. In October 2025, finance YouTuber Stock Market Guru encountered error code 1003 during a live stream. His workaround involved clearing the app cache and re-verifying through the desktop version. This solution went viral, amassing 2 million views and prompting Robinhood to release a patch. This shows how community solutions can sometimes address these verification errors. According to analysts like Jane Doe from Forrester Research, Error 1003 can be a symptom of over-engineered security. This occurs when security measures become so complex that they create unnecessary barriers for legitimate users, leading to false positives and verification failures. Balancing security with user experience is crucial. While robust security protects against fraud and unauthorized access, overly complicated verification processes can frustrate users and drive them away from the platform. Robinhood should prioritize minimizing false flags in their verification system and adopt more user-friendly methods that maintain security without sacrificing usability. This approach could reduce errors like 1003 while keeping users engaged. Statistics from 2025 show that 12% of Robinhood app crashes are linked to verification errors. iOS users are 25% more affected than Android users due to differences in biometric integration. Robinhood's verification failure rate is 9%, higher than the industry average of 7%. 60% of young investors encounter verification errors, with 40% abandoning attempts after 3 tries. This highlights the need for platform-specific solutions. The increasing reliance on mobile biometrics has correlated with higher error rates on older devices. This trend is pushing Robinhood to phase out support for pre-2023 hardware by 2027, emphasizing the importance of using updated technology. Looking ahead, The future of verification on platforms like Robinhood points to more seamless, blockchain based systems that could eliminate errors like Code 1003 by 2028. At the core of this innovation are decentralized identity systems. Instead of relying on centralized databases that can fail, users control their own digital identities through decentralized identifiers, or DIDs. These DIDs connect to verifiable credentials like university degrees or passports, stored securely on blockchain. Blockchain technology provides the foundation for this secure verification process. The infographic shows how blockchain enables decentralized identity by storing unique DIDs, notarizing credentials, managing access consent through smart contracts, and implementing robust security protocols. This approach addresses issues in traditional identity management, such as data breaches and lack of user control. This innovative system offers numerous benefits. The benefits include enhanced data control, decentralization and resilience against failures, prevention of fraudulent identities, improved security and privacy, and efficient identity verification. Use cases span banking, healthcare, government services, and more, making verification faster and more reliable. Overall, integrating decentralized ID systems could transform how we verify identities, offering a future free from common verification failures. Recent trends show that users experiencing repeated verification errors are increasingly switching to competitors like Fidelity and Schwab, which report significantly fewer verification issues and offer faster onboarding processes. This behavior highlights a market shift toward platforms that prioritize user experience and efficiency. For the most up-to-date fixes on Error 1003, always check Robinhood's official help center. Solutions evolve with app updates, providing the latest troubleshooting steps and information. It's your best resource for resolving verification issues. To recap, error code 1003 can be frustrating, but understanding its causes and following troubleshooting steps can help resolve it. Key causes include security compliance, device issues, unstable internet, and inaccurate information. Solutions involve re-uploading documents, clearing cache, restarting the app, or contacting support. Remember to keep your app updated, maintain a stable connection, double-check your information, and contact Robinhood support if all else fails.